this is Compressor World here, back with the Quincy QGS 25. Real quick, what we're going to do is we're just going to show you how to take these drive belts off and replace them. So what we have here is I already took the plate off, which is just basically a cover right here, and I took also a small part of the fan shroud off. It just comes off with these little bolts here. Take that right off. And what we do is, first thing we want to do is go in here. There's 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to loosen those up. Do not take those out all the way. Just loosen them up. Then what we're going to do is come up here to your adjustment bolts. We're going to loosen up the lock nut. You don't have to take these off. And then all we'll do is we'll loosen these nuts right up. What that's going to do is that's just going to drop your air in. Make it so that the belts are loose so you can take them off. You want the belts to be loose enough that you can get them off. Loose enough that you can get the new ones on. So you don't want to completely take these nuts off. You just want to loosen them off so you can get these belts off. Put the new ones back on. So you take them off just like that. Come right out of there. You have to take this fan shroud off. Otherwise this will be in the way. Take those off. Sometimes you get to loosen it just a little bit more. The last thing you want to do is have to roll the new belts on to the point where they're tight. You know, a lot of people like to do that, but it's not good for the belt. You twist the belt. What that's going to do is when the machine starts up, it's just twisting the belt. It might not be right away, it could be a few days later. The belt will roll. You will have issues. You want to make sure you loosen it as much as you can without taking those bolts off, so that you can just gently ease the belt off and also gently ease the new belts on. We should have these cut already. As you can see, I have multiple belts here. You only need 3. We do have another machine we're doing today, that's why I have a couple extra. So again, put the new belts on. They should go on nice and easy. Not have really any issues. And again, see how loose they are? That's what you want when you're putting the new belts on. You don't want them tight, because if you roll them on when they're tight, it's exactly what I said earlier. You'll twist them and you will have issues. So we'll get the last bolt on, the last belt on. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna do the opposite way. We're gonna tighten the bottom nut here to raise the air end up. Once we have it to the proper tension that we like, we're going to lock down the lock nut. We're going to lock down the locking bolts on the air end so it doesn't go anywhere. And then what we'll do is we'll continue to put the shroud back on, we'll put the cover back on. Now it's important after you put the shroud back on here that you want to make sure to spin the air end or the motor. Make sure that it's not rubbing, because this will fit inside here. And past that, put this back on and the belts will be done.